Next, derivation. Cauchy-Riemann equations, or you can call CR equations in Cartesian form. Statement though they won't ask, actually you have to remember these results. The necessary conditions that the function w equals f of z may be analytic at any point z equals x plus iy is that there exist four continuous first order partial derivatives: dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, dou v by dou x, dou v by dou y, and satisfy the equations dou u by dou x equals dou v by dou y and dou v by dou x equals minus dou u by dou y. These are known as Cauchy-Riemann equations or CR equations. This can also be written as ux equals vy and vx equals minus uy. Very, very important result. And in problems also, you are going to use these results. Now we shall see the proof. Now we shall see the proof. Let f of z be analytic at a point z equals x plus iy, and hence by definition f dash of z equals limit delta z tends to 0 f of z plus delta z minus f of z by delta z exists and is unique. This is definition of differentiability. In Cartesian form, starting I told you, in Cartesian form f of z means u x comma y plus I into v x comma y, and this delta z be increment in z. Now you are giving a small increment to this one for z. F dash of z equals limit delta z tends to 0 u, okay, u x plus delta x comma this one y plus delta y plus I into v x plus delta x comma y plus delta y minus f of z. Here f of z means again this one u x comma y plus I into v x comma y divided by this one delta z. F dash of z equals, see now separate these two, real part one side and imaginary part one side. Denominator is common for both. Limit delta z tends to 0 u x plus delta x comma y plus delta y minus this one u x comma y by delta z plus this one imaginary I is common. Take outside, limit delta z tends to 0 v x plus delta x comma y plus delta y minus v x comma y by delta z. Call this as equation 1. And in Cartesian form z means x plus iy, and delta z, differentiate this, delta z equals delta x plus I into delta y. Since this delta z tends to 0, we have the following two possibilities, because delta z is having both delta x and delta y. So we have to take two cases. If delta y0, what happens, and if delta z0 x0, what happens. Case 1, let delta y equals 0. This one delta y0 means delta z is only delta x, and delta z tends to 0. This one delta z tends to 0 imply, if delta z is 0 means we can say that delta x is also 0. Delta x also tends to 0. Now equation 1 becomes, substitute this in this equation. In place of delta y you have to put 0, and in place of delta z you have to put delta x, okay, in denominator. Limit delta, see delta z, you have to replace delta x. Delta x tends to 0 u x plus delta x comma y, your delta y is 0 minus u x comma y by delta z means delta x plus I into limit delta x tends to 0 v x plus delta x comma y minus v x comma y by delta x. These limits from the basic definition are the partial derivatives of u and v with respect to x. This definition of differentiation. So f dash of z equals, this can be written as dou u by dou x, dou u by dou x plus this I into dou v by dou x, calls as equation 2. Now case 2, let delta x equals 0. Now put delta x equals 0 in this. So now delta z will be I into delta y. Delta z will be I into delta y, and delta z tends to 0. Delta z tends to 0. If delta z 0 means delta x also 0, you can say that delta y is also 0. Delta y tends to 0. Equation 1 becomes, substitute these in this equation 1. In place of delta x, you have to put 0, and in place of delta z, you have to put I into delta y. Okay, in equation 1. F dash of z equals limit delta y tends to 0 u x comma y plus delta y minus u x comma y by I into delta y. In place of delta z, you have to replace I into delta y plus I into limit delta y tends to 0 v x comma y plus delta y minus v x comma y by I into delta y. Here I get cancelled, and 1 by I can be written as minus I. Okay, in the first term 1 by I means minus I. So this becomes minus I into u x comma y plus delta y minus u x comma y by delta y plus limit delta y tends to 0 v x comma y plus delta y minus v x comma y by delta y. Again, this is definition of differentiation. This can be written as, see, f dash of z equals minus I, write as it is. This is nothing but dou u by dou y plus this is nothing but dou v by dou y. That equals, I will write the positive term first, dou v by dou y minus I into dou u by dou y, calls as equation 3. Equating the RHS of equation 2 and 3. This is equation 2 and this is equation 3. Equating both RHS part. Dou u by dou x plus I into dou v by dou x equals dou v by dou y minus I into dou u by dou y. Now equating the real and imaginary parts of this. This is real part. These two are real parts and these two are imaginary parts. Just you are equating. Dou u by dou x equals dou v by dou y and dou v by dou x equals minus dou u by dou y. Okay, this is the CR equation. This can also be written as ux equals vy and vx equals minus uy. Very important. Either Cartesian or polar, compulsory you will get one derivation.